welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Yume Twins box for you guys for the month of April. I actually got this box before the very end of the month for like the first time ever. Hopefully this video actually goes up though before then. I also did my nails for the very first time in 9 years on myself. So I didn't do too bad. They're not perfect, but they're not like terrible. But yeah, so that's my nails now. But yeah, let's jump into this. I'm going to cut this box open because we all know I am terrible at opening things. And my eyelash extensions, if you look at them, I know they look horrible. I got them done a little bit over a week ago. I don't think they like me very much, so I'm debating on if I should keep them or not. But anyway, that is not what this video is about. This is about, whoa, the Yume Twins box. So there's a little book. There's nothing cute on the very first page like it is sometimes. The first thing is this little cat strawberry. Strawberry leaves. You can take its strawberry off, which it's still on because it's attached. But you can have a strawberry off or on. How cute is this? It's super soft. Super squishy and soft. I love it. And I love kitties. So I really like this. This is super cute. Oh, look at this little nose. Well, this will go on my bed. Squishy. I'll put it on top of my pillow. I like sleep on that thing. It's so soft and squishy. Alright, next is a toothbrush holding cube stand thing with like a little cat face on it. That's super cute. I like this, and you just put your toothbrush in there and it like holds it. How cute! I like that. Next is this cute little teddy bear like thing. I think it's a magnet. It has like a hard thing on the inside. Maybe it's not a magnet. Well, this is super tiny, so I'm gonna put it in my bed and hope it doesn't get super lost. But it's cute. I'm gonna live over there. And then I got this cute little notebook. And it says cream, ice cream. And that's what the pink pages look like. And then that's what the purple pages look like. They say milk. So that's a super cute little notebook. I can definitely use that. And then I got a cute pen with Pikachu on it. Can you see that? Look how cute. With little Pokeballs. Oh, I'm excited to use this. How cute is that? This is adorable. And then the last thing in here is a doggy placemat. I guess I can put this underneath my cat's bowls. Little doggos. That is so cute. So I got a cute little placemat, a pen, a notebook. How cute, I can use these together. This tiny head and this cat, Strawberry. I love this cat, Strawberry. And that is everything I got in this box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is probably the fastest one I've ever filmed because, well, this takes up like the entire box, so that would make sense. My little kitty friend. So cute. I love it so much. Alright, well anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. If you also get this box, let me know in the comments and tell me if you got a cute cat friend or a different one. And I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!